So here's a fantastic example of how Track90 has been used to plan and record Schengen visits. These dates were provided to me by one of the users, and I've just copied them into my account. So as we can see, 79 days in the last 180, 11 days not used. But this is really quite an amazing allocation of the days. Go back into 2024, we can see where the days started. So we can see here the number of days used out of the 180, the number of days left. And you can see that it changes as it goes along. And this user really is very good at getting close to the 90 days, leaving a couple more, maybe in case there's an emergency, they need to go back into the Schengen area for a couple of days. So they've got 4 days here, December 2024. Going to 2025, these are, again, real figures that are provided by a user to me. And we can see that they're really great at doing 88 days. Then we can see the days building up, 86 days they've been in, 87 days, 85 days, 85 days. That's 2025. And then they've also gone into 2026. All their visits for 2026 are planned as well, all the way through to the end of December. So we can see there they've got 87 days, as you can see. So a really fantastic use of Track90. I hope you find Track90 useful, and please let me know if there's anything that you'd like to add to it. And if you do like using Track90, please just buy me a coffee, and that'll be much appreciated, and it will help keep it free as opposed to me putting adverts on it or having a monthly subscription.